In order for you to get the most out of this course, I do expect that you are at least familiar with the fundamentals of TypeScript. That is, you understand what types are and the basic syntaxes for working with them. If that's not you, then I encourage you to check out our course, TypeScript Fundamentals. I've left a link for it in the description below. Also, as mentioned in the previous lesson, if you don't know the fundamentals of Vue, you should also start out with our Fundamentals course, as well as watch our courses on Vue.js 3 components and single file components. I've left links in the description for those as well. Cool. So, besides what you need to know, there's also some software you need to make sure you have installed. The first piece of software necessary is Node.js. If you don't already have it installed, you can grab it from nodejs.org as shown on the screen here. We'll also be using npm, which comes bundled with Node. Its purpose is to help us manage our dependencies. And we'll also be using npx in order to execute some of those npm packages without having to install them first. The next thing you'll need is some kind of code editor or IDE in order to follow along with the code. I use Visual Studio Code throughout this course, as it's what I'm most comfortable with, but it's also the IDE recommended in the official Vue docs. If you're really tied to your current setup, that's understandable. Do whatever it is you're comfortable with. If you don't mind a change, however, I really encourage you to give VS Code a try. It's widely used by Vue.js developers, has great extensions for working with Vue and TypeScript, and best of all, it's free. Finally, we'll be using Vue DevTools to help with visualizing our component data and with debugging. There are extensions available for both Chrome and Firefox that you can install via these links in the docs. Alright, that's all you need to know and all you need to have. So, in the next lesson, let's get started creating our app.